Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna go on and download Simplii Financial right here on your phone. So let's get started. We're gonna go right into the App Store. Now from here, you're just gonna look for the app. So here we go. And it's not gonna be the first one. It's gonna be the second one. The first one's usually an ad, unless they're providing an ad. But anyways, here's the app. Just tap on download, and then it's just gonna download it. It's a very, very small app. So down here below, you guys are gonna see that. By the way, this particular video is just about how to get started with it, but if you guys want to make an account for the very first time and all that, I do have a separate video, and make sure to use a referral link for that, so that way you guys get $50 for free just by opening up an account with them and just depositing $100 in there. That's all you guys had to do to get those $50. But again, you need a referral, so you guys can feel free to use my referral if you don't have a bank account with these guys. But if you have friends that have a bank account with them, just tell them to give you a referral link. They just have to log in and see for a referral link. Anyways, we're gonna open this up, and right now that we open it up, we can just press allow, accept all, and we're gonna sign in. So again, I do have a separate video that teaches you how to register, but this video is just gonna teach you the basics, how to just sign in, and that's it. Again, different video to register and do the whole process. But for that, I highly suggest using a referral link just because it's free $50. Why not? Anyways, we're just gonna sign on right now. It's gonna ask us for our card number. So if you already did the sign up process and you haven't got your card yet, don't worry about this. Go back to your app later on once you guys get your card. Because right now in your email, all you guys have is a link so you guys can sign into your account. But that's it. You don't have your actual card number. What you do have is your password. So once you just type in your card number plus your password, I just tap on sign on, and that's it. All right, so from here, most likely you guys did 2FA. So you got a text with a code, you put that in, and then you got to this part. You guys can have Touch ID or Face ID off. It's up to you. I highly suggest doing it, but you don't have to. So you guys can just tap on done or turn it on right now. I'm actually gonna turn it on. And then you guys can just provide an optional nickname. So again, that's just up to you. I'm just gonna leave it as is. So we're gonna press on done on the bottom. All right, and that's it. Right now you guys just signed into your bank account, and you guys can just start doing everything you need to. And by the way, again, if you don't have an account, just ask your buddies to log into their account. Then they're gonna find the refer a friend, just activate, and they're gonna see something like this. So feel free to use my link. It's gonna be here in the description of this video as well. Plus, hopefully I will pin the comment, but we'll see if I get to that. And that way you guys can just get those $50 for free. Again, all you guys have to do is make the account, create it, and then have $100 in there. That's about it. Of course, you're gonna have to do this throughout the link, right? So just to show you, those options will be on the left hand side. Once you guys tap there, you guys are gonna see all the options you could ever want, including refer a friend. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, guys, come right down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.